Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another video. So what I want to do today actually is just tidy up around the house, that is the kitchen and the living room. Mark you, ever since I had the carpet cleaned, I have not been able to put it back. That is so bad. So I want to mop under the seats and behind them, just to ensure that it is dustless before I put the carpet back. And for the kitchen, I want to concentrate more on areas where I don't normally clean on a daily basis, like to just wipe the surfaces where I put the storage jars and such like things, and just be able to remove the dust, because I feel like the rainy season has come and I want each and every place around the house to be dustless. Another thing, I'd actually promised myself that I was to go to the salon today, which I doubt I'm going to make it. My hair is really bad. Actually, it is so bad, I don't even know what to do, but I'm not going to concentrate on that now. I want to get this done and work within a short period of time before my son comes back from school. So yeah guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, I want to start by doing the dishes, and I'm actually so glad that today I only have like a handful of them, because imagine, this is my least favorite thing to do around the house, doing the dishes. Okay, if I had another otherwise, I will not be doing them, but I got to do them. Anyway, I want to do this really fast, like I want to spend less than 10 minutes on this sink before I get to the other areas around the kitchen. I plan to first of all finish with everything in the kitchen before I head to the living room. So right now, let me do that. And I normally do my dishes using warm water. I prefer it that way to cold running water. I use the cold running water while rinsing, but for washing, like by using the soap, I prefer to use warm water. That actually helps a lot, more so when to remove the grease from the dishes. It's really helpful. So for the sink, I prefer to use this Astonish stainless and steel cleanser. It actually does an amazing job, and my sink is always so shiny, and it doesn't leave, the spots that the soap spots that sometimes you find in the sink. It helps in that, and this is what I've been using for a very long time, and it has never disappointed me. So I want to try as much as I can to clean each and every surface around the house, considering the places that I don't usually clean like on a daily basis, because at least the rainy season is here with us, and the place has been quite dusty of late, and I'm actually so happy that for some time it's going to be, dust free. So guys, now that I'm done with the kitchen, it's now time to concentrate on this other side of the house, that is the living room. And I'm actually so glad because there isn't much to be done. The seats were recently cleaned, so it's just tidying up a little bit, then bringing the carpet, and that will be it for this other side.
goodbye. They all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
At this point I am done, and I'm actually so glad, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also to like and to share and to comment. I will highly appreciate it. I will see you in my next one.